Everyone, good morning to all. Myself V.N.V.S. Money from Commerce and Management, Department of Commerce and Management. Today now I am discussing about the Unit 4, that is the GST subject, Unit 4. The title name is GST Returns. So first unit we are learning about the what is what of GST. Second unit we are learning about the tally basics, company creation, ledger creation. In unit 3 we are learning about the voucher entry. Now that is the fourth unit, GST returns. Coming to GST returns, the contents whatever we are covered into the GST returns in fourth unit, that is a regular and monthly returns and annual returns, returns for composition scheme, particularly the different types of returns, GSTR 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 and different 9A, 9B and 3B. All these contents are we are covered into the fourth unit. Coming to what is meaning of returns. So we are preparing the GST like in tally wise, different types of tax system. All these are prepared for the purpose of ultimate payment to the government through tax wise. We are previously discussing about different indirect taxes are subsumed after GST. So all these indirect taxes, instead of indirect taxes, we are paying the tax to goods and services in returns, month wise or quarterly wise or annual wise. First of all, who is eligible for paying of the particular tax returns means who is registered as a regular dealer, composition dealer, e-commerce platform operators and NRIs, non-residents or non-residential persons, casual taxpayers, input service distributors. All these are eligible for paying or calculating returns. All these are eligible for paying of GST returns. So coming to the next topic, different types of GST returns. GSTR 1. What is GSTR 1? Whatever the goods we are sale, all the details of sales, that is outward supplies, are mentioned into the GSTR 1. How to mention? That means the procedure of mention I will discuss in the later. First, all the sales invoices or sales bills, there is another name, outward goods or outward supplies, are entered into the GSTR 1. Next, GSTR 2. In which kind of transactions we are entered? Here we can't enter anything. It is a auto-defined GSTR 2 return form. We just need to check the details of purchases. It is an auto-generated file. GSTR 2 is an auto-generated file. In that, we are just check the transactions of purchases coming to the previous month or annual or quarterly wise as per your requirement. Then GSTR 3, it is also auto-defined, ma'am. So that means sales only you are need to enter in portal. Purchase is automatically as per the sales, it is auto updated. As per the purchase and sales, automatically the payment of GST should be mentioned in GSTR 3B. That is the summary of payment of tax. Summary of payment of tax. In the last session we are discussing the total sales 1000 rupees is tax received. In purchase 800 rupees paid through tax, 200 rupees paid to government. This information GSTR 1, the 1000 rupees related all the bills are entered into the GSTR 1, that is the sale bills. In GSTR 2, based on sales all the customers are entered into the GSTR 1 at the time of 11th of the month. Last month all the details are mentioned in last month, transactions are mentioned in the this month 11th of the this month. So automatically all the sellers are updated the sales information. For one person sales means other person purchase. So that's vice versa. Based on sales, they are tracking the purchase information because of removal of all custodians. This is a auto generated base is one of the great future in GST. Then the GST or 3B, automatically sales information, purchase information, both the information are available in, then automatically GST or 3B is raised. Whatever the amount we are paid, the summarized details are mentioned. In GST or 9, this is the annual information, ma'am. Annual information, ma'am. Based on the transactions, whatever you are entered in sales, purchase, if there is any adjustments or if there is any corruptions, that means if there is any changes, all the transactions should be changed in annual wise at a month in a year. That is a annual returns. Definitely without having also you need to submit the nil returns, but submission of the returns is compulsory. These are the returns paid by normally regular taxable person paying this kind of GSTR 1, 2, 3B or annual returns. Coming to regular and monthly returns, we are already discussing about the what is meaning of GSTR 1 and GSTR 3B. In due date of GSTR 1 is the 11th of the next month. GSTR 3B is the 20th of the next month. That is the due date of the monthly returns. Annual returns already we are discussing, it's a once in a year. Whatever the transactions of previously paying of GST in a monthly, quarterly, whatever, finally we are end of the session, end of the financial year, we are filing the annual returns. Composition scheme returns. Manam previously we are discussing about the what is meaning of composition scheme, what is the threshold limit, what are the benefits they have. All these information we are previously recorded in the composition scheme versus regular scheme. In that once check the details of information of composition scheme. Short form, composition scheme is suitable for the less businessmen or small businessmen. They are filing the right now, it is the latest update is CMP 08. In quarterly 3 months, quarterly means 3 months. Every 3 months at once they are filing the return of CMP, composition premium 08 form. They are filed the CMP 08. But annually they are filing the GSTR 4. This is the latest update. There according to there is slab rates like manufacturers, traders 1% and restaurant owners without alcohol 5%. Any service providers it's a 6%. It is a new slab rates. As per the rates, as per the products, they are paying the quarterly and annual returns. Return filing procedure. This is very important for everyone. How to file the GSTR 1, 2, 3 or annual returns or CMP 08 or 4. Whatever the transaction you want to be entered into the filing procedure wide, they have some structure. That's in an official site, that is a www.gst.gov.in. When you are pressing into the Google or any portal, automatically press enter, the official GST site appears. In official GST site, the dashboard selected the details of the particular, they are mentioned in the every details of the history of the GST filing, like orange color, green color, red color. Green color means already completed. Orange color means they have a time to payment of the time to filing, and red color means there is a delay of the filing. So after checking the dashboard, whenever if you want to file GSTR 1, 2, 3B or any 4, selected the option particular GST 1, 2, 3, 4, all the things. So after selection of all the whatever you want to payment of the GST, then press enter. The filing of the inward supplies based on outward supplies, the summary of the table is appear. Then go to the online or offline payment mode, then payment to the government according to the showing summary table. This is all about the return filing procedure, different types of returns and their due dates. Whenever if you are filing late or delay, they have some penalty of the payment of for each delay. For like composition scheme, if you are delaying 100 rupees per day, sorry, 200 rupees per day. It's annual returns when there is a late 100 rupees per day. Here also there is a contribution of CGST and SGST both. Whenever if you are they are taking a penalty of 200 rupees, CGST 100 rupees and SGST 100 rupees. So as early as possible, check the details of your filing procedure and complete the payment of the filing of any without delay. Thank you so much.